ونمشي and today I'll be doing activity 5, the complex circuit. So first we're going to draw the schematic. So it starts with a 7.5 volt battery, which goes up the live wire connecting to the TCRT. Down to the resistor, 10k resistor, which goes back to the ground. And the other side of the TCRT, the diode part. Which goes down, back down, into 220 resistor, that's 10k resistor. The live wire keeps on running to a new 10k resistor. Into another 10k resistor. Back down to the earth, which is 10k ohms, and the live wire continues into the LM234, so that goes down. LM234 trips here. This is the plus side, this is the negative side. This would be the live pin going to the fourth live. Now going to the fourth pin, which is positive. This is the third pin going back out and connecting to the top of the first TCRT. And this, so it's the third pin. The second pin, which is negative, is connected back to in between this 10k ohm resistor and this 10k ohm resistor. Pin 11 connects it back down to the earth, and pin 4 connects to a diode LED. And 220 ohm resistor. Back to the earth. Alright, now that I've drawn the schematic, we're going to start building the circuit. So the positive, that's on the positive row, which one is a smaller one. We don't need a big. And then we're going to connect a negative one down here. And I'm just going to pop the TCRT 4000 in. That goes right here. That's going to be connected through the wiring, which goes there. So here, just a little here, and another one from here. to here. Here's the smaller one. That. Now I'm just gonna have this. This will be connected to the battery, just at 0.5 volts. We have this other red one. We're gonna put here. This will be connected to the LM234. Just gonna do. And as you can see, because it's in the fourth notch, it's gone connecting down there to 4 plus. So you know that's right. We're now going to connect a few resistors in. So we'll put in the 10K ones. Yeah, so it'll be the orange, black, and brown ones. We're going to put in this one. To right here. This one plus into J10. And this one from G10 to C10. It's a bit dirty, so just scrape it off. So it just goes in here. We're first gonna add the LED and we're gonna add the red one, the 220 ohm resistors in there. So we're gonna put this one in minus. It's B6. Minus it to B6. The other one from another minus, just turn it to C25. Well, negative rail, ground rail. So this goes here. This be connected to the LED. I'll be putting it shortly after the green wires. Put a bit of the grain wires in, so we're just going to place this. And this one goes in C4 back down A13. So it's going there into the third notch. Third valve on the left side of the LM234. Alright, we got this next piece of green. Go I10. So I10, middle of these 2 resistors. Then to C12, so that's just here. Disconnecting to the second one, so that is negative, I believe. The final green wires goes from G12, so in between that again. to this one here. Into there, and then we're just going to be connecting this LED from.
Share that with Daniel, will you?
Finally, we're going to connect the black wires. So, we're just going to put in this on the other side, both the red one, the red wire, and into the LM234. This just brings it back to the earth. And then this. Back there. Back there, that's there. Is that in? It's just a loose one. Stiff. So we're just sticking this last black one in. That's it. So now we're gonna test the circuit. So first thing we're gonna do is just connect it to the power, which is 7.5 volts, and the current is around 100 amps. And the first thing we do is by placing your finger over that, the LED should turn on. The second thing we are gonna do is the next thing we're gonna do to test the circuit is we're gonna check the voltage across the LED of the TC or T5000. So we're gonna get this. Get this green piece of wire just for this. Get that in. Yeah. I'm gonna get another piece of wire. I'm just gonna use this. Put a piece of wire for this.
This is the positive side of your black bulb. Then you have your yellow cable going to the negative side of your TCC number 3. Then you have your.
Alright, we're gonna get this piece.
Then here we have the knob going to the LED version, LED part of your TCC 500, 510. And then you have your 220 ohm resistor. Perfect.
There, put that in there. And connect that to the side. I'm just gonna test it.
From there,
If this is doing right, as you can see, 1.2 volts approximate. We're there, go like that. I'm gonna test the voltage across this. Take these off, take these out. And we're gonna test it here. This one there. I'm gonna put this one here. Yeah. It should be approximately 3.75, which it is. I'm just testing out these resistors to go into the LM234. Because I know that it's approximately 3.75, that means my thing is correct. Now that I've built the circuit, tested the circuit, I'm just going to relate the nodes back to my schematic. So just turn this. So I'm just going to leave this here. This plus going through here is the battery. So the battery is going from this down here into here. That's got into here, which is there. Now it going into here is that, and then it going into this. So the LED of the TCRT is that. The power goes through back in through the 220 and the 10k ohm resistor, 220 and 10k ohm resistor, as you can see here, and back to the negative rail, and so they're both going back to the negative earth battery. The positive goes in again through here, this 10k resistor, into here, and then this one is connected to the second node here. Some two, sorry. And this fourth is the input into this. The green wire is connected, are just connecting. So this green wire here will be connecting this all the way down into the third slot here, and then this green wire is just this one to there, this one to the second one. Final green wire is number 1, so it's going out of the first notch, the first node, and of the LM234 into the LED, which is brought back through 220 ohm resistor, which is brought back to the negative rail, completing the circuit. And that's my checklist done.